Do you ever feel like you're living paycheck to paycheck? Like you can't seem to save any money no matter how hard you try? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle to budget on a low income. But it is possible. In fact, it's essential if you want to achieve your financial goals. I used to be in the same boat. I was working 2 jobs, but I could barely make ends meet. I was always stressed about money, and I never had anything left over to save. But then I learned how to budget. And it changed my life. Budgeting tips. Here are a few budgeting tips for low-income individuals and families. 1. Track your spending. The first step to budgeting is to track your spending. This will help you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. There are many different ways to track your spending. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a notebook. 2. Set a budget. Once you know where your money is going, you can set a budget. This will help you allocate your money to different categories, such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. When setting your budget, be realistic about how much money you can afford to spend in each category. It's also important to give yourself some wiggle room for unexpected expenses. 3. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Once you have a budget, you can start to cut back on unnecessary expenses. This could mean eating out less, canceling unused subscriptions, or shopping around for better insurance rates. Every little bit helps. Even if you can only cut back on $10 per week, that's still $520 per year. 4. Automate your savings. One of the best ways to save money is to automate your savings. This means setting up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you'll save money without even having to think about it. Budgeting on a low income can be challenging, but it is possible. By following these tips, you can get your finances under control and start saving money towards your financial goals. If you're ready to learn more about budgeting on a low income, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.